What could truly shift the global aviation industry? Imagine a battleground where, for over 5 decades, only two giants, Boeing and Airbus, have fiercely competed. But now, a new contender has entered the arena, a company from the East, a company that is aiming to disrupt the status quo with its ambitious designs. That's right, it's Comac with its bold aircraft. You've probably heard of the highly anticipated C919, but this is just the beginning. Comac is preparing to unveil its next masterpiece, the C929, a wide-body aircraft set to take on industry heavyweights like the A350 and Dreamliner. But how could this Chinese-made aircraft challenge such established giants? What can we expect from it? Let's dive into the journey behind Comac and the groundbreaking C929. For decades, China has harbored a dream to conquer the skies with its own homegrown aircraft. Since the 1960s, this dream has driven China's aerospace ambitions, even though the road to realizing it has been filled with obstacles. The process of developing a large commercial aircraft is often compared to the pinnacle of modern engineering complexity. It requires mastery in design, advanced materials, powerful aviation engines, and the ability to meet some of the world's most stringent safety and performance standards. Despite these challenges, China's determination remained steadfast, and over the years, the dream grew ever closer. The journey took a significant step forward in 2008 with the founding of the Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, also known as Comac. The company was tasked with the ambitious mission of creating commercial aircraft that could compete with the likes of Boeing and Airbus. Its first major project was the C919, a narrowbody aircraft designed for regional routes. The C919's journey reached a monumental milestone on May 28, 2023, when it completed its maiden commercial flight, marking the culmination of decades of effort. This achievement was not only a technological breakthrough, but also a symbol of national pride. It embodied China's resilience and determination to reach new heights in the aviation industry. However, the C919's success was just the beginning. As impressive as the aircraft is, it was designed for short and medium-haul routes, making it ideal for domestic and regional flights. But it was clear that in order to compete on the global aviation stage, especially with long-haul intercontinental flights, a new, more ambitious aircraft was needed. Enter the C929, a wide-body aircraft poised to take on the long-haul market and challenge the likes of the A350 and Dreamliner. The C929 is designed to carry between 280 and 400 passengers over distances of up to 12,000 kilometers. This aircraft is not just another engineering marvel. It is a statement that China is ready to compete on the world stage in a sector dominated by Western companies. The C929 represents China's quest to redefine its place in global aviation, and it marks a new chapter in COMAC's mission to create a truly competitive aircraft. The C929 made its official debut at the Singapore Air Show on February 20, 2024. Initially developed as a joint project with Russia, the aircraft was originally named the CR929. However, due to geopolitical tensions and differences in priorities, Russia withdrew from the project in 2023, leaving China to take full control. The C929 was rebranded, and the focus shifted entirely to China's vision for its aviation future. This rebranding not only symbolized China's resolve, but also highlighted its unwavering commitment to its long-term ambitions in the global aviation industry. But what makes the C929 truly stand out from its competitors? First, let's consider its groundbreaking design and the use of advanced materials. As a wide-body aircraft, the C929 faces some of the most extreme challenges in aviation. It must withstand high pressure, extreme temperatures, and corrosive environments during its long-haul flights. To overcome these obstacles, COMAC has incorporated cutting-edge composite materials into the design, with over 50% of the aircraft's structure made from carbon fiber and 15% from titanium alloys. Two of the most advanced materials in modern aviation. These materials are not just lightweight, they also enhance durability, improve fatigue resistance, and provide superior protection against corrosion. By reducing the aircraft's weight, these innovations lower fuel consumption, which in turn reduces operating costs and minimizes the environmental impact. With these advanced materials, the C929 not only optimizes performance, but also positions itself as a serious competitor to industry giants like the Airbus A350 and Boeing 787. This breakthrough in material science demonstrates China's technological prowess and raises its aviation industry to new heights. Another standout feature of the C929 is its spacious interior, which was designed to maximize passenger comfort. The aircraft boasts a 333-seating configuration in economy class, offering more space than many of its competitors. This spacious design significantly enhances the overall travel experience, making the C929 an ideal choice for long-haul flights. With its large capacity and exceptional range, the C929 is not just another aircraft. It is a bridge that connects regions across the globe, from Asia to Europe, North America, and beyond. The C929's spacious interior, combined with its long-range capabilities, marks a new era in international travel. This aircraft offers the potential to revolutionize long-haul flights by improving comfort and connectivity across continents. It underscores China's ambition to reshape the global aviation industry, offering an alternative to the current dominant players in the market. Behind the C929's development is a significant investment in both technology and infrastructure, much of which has been centered in Hong Kong. This city, known for its vibrant economy, has also emerged as a leading hub for aerospace development. Hong Kong has attracted top talent, innovation, and resources to support the growth of China's aviation industry. To help drive the C929's development, billions of dollars have been invested into state-of-the-art facilities, including composite material factories, aerospace research and development centers, and advanced assembly lines for large aircraft fuselage components. The total investment in these facilities is estimated to exceed 56 billion RMB, approximately 9.14 billion USD. This monumental commitment underscores China's long-term vision for its aviation industry and its determination to develop domestic technologies that meet international standards. The establishment of these cutting-edge facilities reinforces China's intent to not only build an advanced aircraft, but also to contribute to the sustainable development of the global aviation industry. By investing in the necessary infrastructure and skilled workforce, China is positioning itself to reshape the future of global aviation. However, building an aircraft of this scale and complexity is not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles for COMAC is overcoming the skepticism and biases that exist in the international market. While Chinese airlines have shown strong support for the C929, many regions, particularly Europe and North America, remain wary of Chinese-made aircraft. Concerns over safety, reliability, and quality are major barriers, largely due to a lack of familiarity with Chinese-made aircraft and the deep-rooted biases surrounding products from China. For many international operators and passengers, flying in a Chinese-made aircraft like the C929 is still seen as a risk. This skepticism presents a significant obstacle that COMAC must overcome if it hopes to succeed in the global market. So, Would you feel confident flying in a Chinese-made aircraft like the C929? The success of this aircraft depends on whether it can gain the trust of international operators and passengers. Overcoming these biases and proving that it meets the highest standards of safety and performance will be key to COMAC's success. In addition to overcoming market skepticism, COMAC faces another major challenge: scaling up its production. Currently, COMAC's manufacturing capabilities are far behind those of established giants like Airbus and Boeing, who are able to produce hundreds of aircraft each year. COMAC is still in the process of building the necessary infrastructure and scaling up its production capacity to meet global demand. To achieve this, COMAC will need to invest heavily in technology, facilities, and workforce development. Only then will it be able to produce aircraft that meet international standards and compete with the output of traditional industry leaders. Furthermore, despite significant progress in domestic technology development, COMAC still relies on foreign suppliers for key components, particularly in the area of engines. This reliance on Western manufacturers could pose a challenge in the long term, as it limits COMAC's self-sufficiency and may hinder its ability to compete effectively on the global stage. While progress is being made to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers, COMAC's ability to secure the necessary technology and expertise in critical areas will be crucial to its success. The engines of the C929 will play a pivotal role in its overall performance. The challenge of developing and producing a reliable and efficient engine is not one to be taken lightly. While the C919 uses engines from CFM International, the C929 will require even more advanced engine technology to meet its higher demands. Securing partnerships and agreements with engine manufacturers will be crucial in ensuring the aircraft's success and its ability to compete with the likes of Boeing and Airbus.